Hi everyone, boys and girls, and welcome to this new tutorial. I'm not English, I'm Italian, so I can't speak very well English, so forgive me if I will make, or if I made, or I have already made some error in your language, and you must forgive me. But in this tutorial I will explain you how to track a 3D camera into a 2D composition. Now I have imported my footage, and I have started a new composition. Now you can see that when I filmed this, I used a very slow motion path, in the sense that I moved the camera very slowly, because the more quieter you move the camera, more precise will be your track. So let's start. First of all, let's cut our composition to reduce the amount of work the program will do to track camera. It's a very dirty job, but someone must do it. Okay, here we are. First of all, click on track camera and stop immediately the analysis of the data. Then you go to advanced and check detail analysis or something similar, and then start the analysis. Well, I have stopped and resumed the recording. As you can see, the program ended to track our camera, and the target you see on the screen is the ideal surface that the program traced down. Now you must select the piece of surface that for you seems to better match the surface, the real surface of the video. Then you click first with the left button on the piece of surface, and then with the right button and choose create solid and camera. You can see that the solid is now stick on surface. Well, next step, hide our new solid and create a new level. Wow, so much time. So create new level, solid, and make it black, blue or pink. I will make black, and apply the effect from Video Copilot, Element 3D. So go to Effect, Video Copilot, Element 3D. Wait the plugin loading, and then go to Scene Setup. Scene Setup, eccolo là. Sorry for the Italian. Eccolo là is here he is. Choose primitive and box. Now we must transform this to a Minecraft cube, so choose diffuse, load texture, and load the image I will share it with you in the link down in the description. Choose diffuse and hit OK. Very well. Now choose illumination and load illumination map, that is illumination fixed. Okay, and then the normal bump, 100% of illumination. And this bump /00000 and /00000. Invert depth is to change the depth of the bump map, but we can leave it as it is. I don't know what I have just said. So specular down, because it's a rock. It's a rocky surface, so it can't add much reflection, such as shininess. Reflection down, refraction down, intensity of illumination up. Up to 44% will be well. So, here is our Minecraft cube, diamond cube. Seems fine, it's okay. And now he is floating in the dark space, so unsolo the layer. And now, moving our composition time slide, up and down, we must see where our 3D element is positioned, positionated. Take position, have position. What the position is of the element in the space. In Italian, dove sta. So you can see that is floating, and we don't want it floating. We want it stick on the surface of the camera. So we adjust the particle replicator position Z and increase the size to match the scene. Then we adjust rotation on the x-axis and on the y-axis. And adjust the position as well. Let's check. Very well. Seems fine. But there is something wrong. So this process take a little amount of time, and more time you will take to adjust the position of the element in the space, and better the result will be. Please, in the comment, write all of my mistakes in your language, so the next time I will try to eliminate them. And this summer I will make a studio journey into USA or England or Uganda or Russia. So I just now it seems okay. Yeah. Then, first of all, no. Why? Said. It's okay. Why I'm adjusting the x-axis? I don't know. The problem is that I am recording on the original video that is in Italian, and so I can't remember what I did in the video, and so I can make some mistake also in my memory that is not so excellent. Now we are uploading a picture made with iPhone, with a program called 360 degrees, and that can do this type of photo. and we will use this photo to make our environment map for the material. So we grab into the composition, hide the panorama.jpg, and go into environment setting and choose panorama. So you can see that the picture updated with some kind of reflection map, just to match our scene. Now press enter, or invio in Italian, and choose and write element diffuse. Then duplicate with Control D, and write light. Then Control D another time and write glow. Now choose light, solo the layer. No, why? I'm grabbing them down. Why I did this thing, I don't know. But solo the light, and into the render settings, go to lighting and add lighting aqua. Then in additional lighting, choose rotation and make the light appear into each surface of the cube, like that. One more, yes. Now bring down a little bit the brightness and the opacity of the light. Go to switch modalities of fusion and choose add. Then with T, adjust opacity down to 43% or to 23%, better. Then unsolo the layer and solo the glow. Now we will solo the illumination map. To do this, open another time the scene setup and bring down to 0 the diffuse map and the normal bump. Then bring to black the diffuse color. Bring down specular shininess amount. No, ambient is ambient, yes. Reflection also down. And bring up the intensity of illumination map. Very well. Now we must eliminate the black. So choose luminance transparency or something so, and make transparent the pixel black, or pixel black, yes. The darken pixel, yes. And put this value 3, 2 and 3 and 3. Now I have After Effects in Italian, so I can't translate every single effect into English. Choose radial blur, and no, not radial blur, but directional blur or direction blur, and increase the amount of the blur. No, too much. Yes, then choose fast blur, and put a value of 5. Then choose glow and put the effect glow between transparency and blur. then increase the radius and the intensity of the glow. Decrease the directional blur and increase the radius and the intensity of the glow. Now choose saturation, tonality and saturation, and bring the saturation up about 61 and curves. Go to the channel alpha and make a little bit of contrast. Yes, like that. Very well. Now unsolo the layer and here we go. Here is our Minecraft cube, but there is a but. We want the cube to be matching perfectly the background, so apply a curves effect to the background layer and give a little crashing down of the illumination, increase the blue channel, yes, like that, decrease a little bit the green channel, and decrease the red channel. So the light is changed similar to the cube now. Then pre-compose all the cube with the element, so right click, pre-compose, leave an attribute in the new composition, we name it Cubo or your cube. I've made another mistake, because I must include in the new composition the camera. Very well. Now I want to make you see a thing. If you zoom in, you can see that the quality of the cube is higher than the rest of the composition, and so it didn't match very well. So we must use two effects to eliminate this difference. We choose mosaic and put a value of about 600, yes, and then another fast blur with a value of 2 or 1. It's too. Let's adjust something, but about 518. And then no, it's worse. 650, and here we go, or here we are. Now I want to make you see another thing. The light that exits from the cube must reflect in some way on the surface. So we will use an effect called CC glass to make this appear. Choose CC glass. This is in English, also in my Italian After Effects. Surface displacement 0. In light, choose point light, adjust the point of the light. You can see that a light is created and match all the scene using a similar bump map, maybe. So decrease the ambient light, it increase the lightness, choose the color of the cube, or another color. You can do also a redstone cube. It's very fine, red, wonderful. Or an emerald, green. Or a tank that shoot. Soft, that increases softness and decrease the height. And then we must keyframe the position of the light. This is a boring process, but we must do it. So keyframe the light position and proceeding 1 second per time, grab the pointer of the light position, yes, and adjust it to match the scene. You can also track down the motion of the scene and then connect the light position to the new object that you will create with the motion tracking, but it's a light, so it's not perfectly stick on the surface, and no one will see the difference between a light perfectly sticked on the surface and a light that is not perfectly matching the scene. Then duplicate the effect once you have finished. Looks very well. And then duplicate the entire layer. Duplicate the layer. Yes, I will do it very soon. Here we are. Then eliminate the CC Glass 2 and using the same keyframe of the previous layer, re-keyframe the position of the light in this new effect. So you must repeat the process for this new layer. Meanwhile, I want to say you one thing. I have made a contest that is in Italian, but is also available for everyone else in the world. That is a contest about After Effects, Minecraft, any sort of graphical video editing program. The English for premio, recompense, I didn't know. None. I can say. Wait a moment. Recompense. The gift for the winner. Let's say this. It's in money, but those money are the half of the earning of the video during the period of the contest. For now, the amount of earning of the video, because I'm a partner of YouTube, is about 2 cents of euro. 2 euro cents. If you share the video, if you subscribe to my channel, if you like that video, this gift for the winner will be either. And so the more you share the video, the more take part into the contest, the more the gift will be height. I will repeat, for now it's about 2 cents. Meanwhile, I have ended to editing the keyframe and choose screen as the fusion method for the layer. So now we have 2 layers with 2 lights that follow a scene, a cube. We can press 0 on the key tab on the right part of your keyboard to start a rapid preview, and seems to look very well, more than the video at the start of this tutorial. I like it very much. Now we can apply a sort of a level with curve, adjustment layer with the effect curves to increase the contrast of the entire scene, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful, it's wonderful. And then the tutorial is finished. Please don't kill me for my poor English. Now, if you like the video, for sure you not like the video for you will be the sort of shit, cause the language, cause of my personality, cause of everything you can imagine. But if you like the video, share this video, like on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on my Facebook page, don't follow me everywhere else, only on Facebook and Twitter. My name is Mirko Crispoldi, in Italian Mirko Crispoldi, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this will help you to track down something very interesting. Take part into my contest. The link down in the description give it to you a free model, a gift from me, free HD model. The files I used to create this Minecraft cube, and the link to the contest. So the free model, you can use it as you want. So the tutorial end. My name is Mirko Crispoldi, and buonasera a tutti.